punctuation mark. But remember one thing, whatever you do today, whatever you learn from this video, you have to write it down in your Marigold notebook. You have to jot it down in your Marigold notebook. Okay? So first and foremost, put the date, punctuation mark and date, that is 22nd 7 2020. Okay? After that, write the definition which you can see, the line common punctuation marks we use in English, and then the first one, that is capital letter. Write it like this in your notebook. Fine. Now, today what you are going to write, you will write the rules where we use punctuation marks. हर एक चीज में तो punctuation कहीं पर भी capital लिख देंगे, कहीं पे भी full stop लगा देंगे? No. Certainly we won't do like this. हम कुछ rules होते हैं, उन्हें follow करते हैं और उसके according हम question mark, full stop, exclamation mark, comma use करते हैं और capital letter. हाँ? So 5 you have done, 5 fingers, 5. The first one is capital letter, question mark, exclamation mark, comma and full stop. Right? So capital letter कहाँ use करते हैं? पता होना चाहिए ना, हर एक चीज को कैपिटल कर देंगे, मर्जी होती जहाँ कैपिटल लिखते हैं? नो, certainly not. We learn capital letter rules with the help of this chips I have. चिप्स के पैकेट के साथ rules? Yeah, for sure. चिप्स के पैकेट के साथ rules. Just tell me the spelling of chips. It's C-H-I-P-S. Chips. Got the spelling? It's C-H-I-P-S. तो ये जो C-H-I-P-S है, आप सारे रूल्स कैपिटल लेटर यूज करने के किससे लर्न करेंगे? विद द पैकेट ऑफ चिप्स. खाने की चीज से पढ़ने में मजा आएगा ना? Yes or no? Yes, for sure. So here we go. So kiddies, here on your screen you can see, as I already told you in the starting of the video, how you have to start your work. Put the heading, then punctuation marks commonly used in English are, the first one is capital letters. They have very important function which are mentioned in chips form, right? Here we go for chips. You need a capital letter with this chips. Here, chips C stands for calendar words. Calendar words means days of the week and months of the year. When you say today is Wednesday, as you all know, today is Wednesday. So W of the Wednesday will be capital. And which month is going on? July. So J will be capital. Got it? Say for example, if your birthday comes up in the month of December, so December, D will be capital, right? And your birthday day is on Monday, so again M will be capital. So day and month's name always starts with a capital letter. Then comes H. H means all the holidays. Say for example, Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Republic Day, Independence Day. So all the holidays, all the festival days which are mentioned in the calendar as for holidays, we always begin this spelling with the capital letter. Okay. Now next, I. I means I, the pronoun. When you use I for your own self, I am a girl, I am a boy, I am 8 years old. When you say I for myself, जब आप I अपने आप के लिए use करते हैं, that I, the pronoun I, is always capital. We never use I am का I small हम नहीं लिखते. We always use I capital. Then P, chips का P किसके लिए है? For the pronouns. All the pronouns, proper nouns, not pronouns. All the proper nouns, right? All the proper nouns means the name, particular name. Like for example, you are living in which city? Rourkela. So R of the city name is capital. What is your name? Say for example, your name is Virat. है ना Virat? So we write V capital, right? And with your book's name also, you are reading Marigold. If you have ever noticed, अपना book उठा के देखेंगे, Marigold M is started with capital letter. हिंदी का भी देखेंगे, सब में कैपिटल लेटर लिखा होता है। जहाँ पे भी लिखा है वहाँ पे बड़ा वाला लेटर कैपिटल लेटर लिखा है, राइट। प्लेस हो गया, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिल्ली, इंडिया और राउरकेला, ऑल दीज विल स्टार्ट विद अ कैपिटल letter. Fine. And S, sentence beginning. Whenever you start writing a new sentence, the starting word is always capital. We start with a capital letter. जब भी यहाँ full stop के बाद भी, when you put a full stop and when you continue writing after full stop also, the first letter is capital. So here Chips is chips, C calendar words, H holidays, I the pronoun, P the proper noun, and S the beginning of the sentence. So here we always use capital letter. Got it? Isn't it interesting to learn? अभी learn करके अच्छे से समझेंगे and don't commit any mistakes while writing in English now. नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन मार्क. कैपिटल लेटर के बाद आपने किया था क्वेश्चन मार्क. वी यूज व्हेन वी आस्क अ क्वेश्चन एट द एंड. जब आप क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे हाउ आर यू, यू आर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन हाउ आर यू, सो एट द एंड वी नेवर पुट अ फुल स्टॉप, वी ऑलवेज पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. जब क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो क्वेश्चन मार्क का साइन लगाएंगे. फाइन. फुल स्टॉप जब भी आप अपना बात खत्म करेंगे, आई एम फाइन, सो आई एम फाइन. फाइन के बाद फुल स्टॉप. Exclamation mark to express some feelings like surprise, joy, as ma'am already explained you. जब भी आप कुछ जैसे बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सा चीज़ देखते हैं, ओह वाओ मामा व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस, है ना. वाओ जब आपको मामा सरप्राइज देती है. फॉर मी व्हेन यू हैव अ एक्सप्रेशन लाइक दिस, वाओ, हे, हुर्रा, है ना. सो वी पुट एन एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. ओके. And comma, we used to separate series of words. Say, for example, I like to eat cake, pizza, burger and bread. So cake, pizza, burger and bread are different things. So cake, comma, pizza, comma, burger and bread. And आया है लास्ट में, इसलिए उसके साथ we never use comma because we have already put an and. ठीक है. And say for another example like Jai, Ram and Sheila are my friends. So Jai, comma, Ram are my friends. So you have to separate because सब अलग अलग हैं. So to separate we put in between comma. Got it? Now moving on to the question part. Punctuate the following sentences. She is busy. आपको आंसर लिखना है अपने आप. Tomorrow I will send you the answers, but today at least try once. Just go through the rules and try it. She is busy. So first letter of the sentence is S. First word is S. She का S letter. So S is capital and the end we put a full stop. Do you like pancakes? So you are asking a question, do you like pancakes? So do, D capital and pancakes, stop, full stop. Where are my toys? Again you are asking a question, where? So W capital and at the end question mark. I like to eat ice cream. I means मैं, pronoun, right? So I will be capital and at the end you put a full stop. Diwali is my favorite festival. Again a festival. So D capital and at the end full stop. Ansh, Jay, Ram and Priya are my friends. Now here in number 6, Ansh, a name of a boy, Jay, name of a boy, Raj, again a boy name, and Priya, all are proper nouns because they are the name of a person. Proper noun means जब आप किसी का properly किसी एक के लिए बात करते हैं, proper noun. So whenever you write the name, the letter, the beginning letter, the first letter of the name is always capital. So A, अंश का A, जय का J, R का राज का R, and Priya P. All these letters will be capital and in between you will insert a comma. Ansh, comma, J, comma, Raj and Priya. After Raj, no comma because we have already done and are my friends. At the end, full stop. India is a beautiful country. I is capital because it's again a proper noun and a name of a country. So I is capital. My mom gave me cake, pizza and ice cream to eat. So my am capital, cake, comma, pizza and ice cream. After pizza, no comma. Please don't put comma after pizza because we have already written and. Fine? So do it. Tomorrow I will send the answers to you. But at least today try these punctuation questions. Okay? Till then, bye.